As you can see, this is solar panels. We are doing installation today, the 26th of July at Enuanicha. At work. Everything is going perfectly. Wire for the installation. As you can see, this is the zinc. Men at work. So we are going to mount 18 panels of 600 watts. So as you can see, installation is not child's play. We are up. As you can see environment. Here we are. The work is ongoing. As you can see, work is still going on. As you can see, we are rounding up. We are rounding up. Almost there. 9 panels are the other side of it. So we are about to move inside now. To start work from inside. Total battery. One of the biggest.